If you have been using Google Whisk to create AI images, things are about to change. Now, personally, I have been using Google Whisk to generate all my AI images completely for free. Whisk AI has been one of the easiest tools for creating consistent AI images and characters. However, according to their platform, Google Whisk will only be available until 30th of April 2026. That is next week Thursday. That means the way we've been creating images is about to shift. So in this video, I am going to show you how to move from Google Whisk to Flow AI and still create your images the same way you have been doing it before. Meet me for the first time. Hi, I'm your YouTube big sister, and on this channel, I teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation and YouTube automation. So do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more useful tips like this. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in straight into the class. So guys, for the first step, we need to go to our Chrome browser and we type in Google Labs FX. Then you click on it. Yeah, so you see Project Journey, Flow, Music Effects. Do well to sign in with your Google account or your email account. So this is what the interface looks like. You tap on Create with Flow. You tap on it and allow it to load. Yeah, so you click on New Project here. You click on New Project. So guys, I want to show you guys something. This video side, you click on it. You want to generate consistent images using Flow AI, right? So what we have to do is to click on image here. Yeah, so this place that they wrote ×2, ×1, ×3 and ×4, make sure that it is on ×1. Do you know why? This is because if you don't put it on ×1, it will generate more than one image for you, which is it will drain your credits. I remember that Flow AI gives 50 credits every single day, right? So we don't want to exhaust our credit quickly. So we have to put it on ×1 so that it will generate only one image for us. So you click on this place. This place they say Nano Banana 2. We have Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and Imagine 4. I want you to change it to Imagine 4. Imagine 4 will not cost you credit, but if you're using Nano Banana 2, it will cost you credit. You look at generating, we use 0 credit. That was what they wrote. So if you're generating with Imagine 4, you will not be taxed any credit. So I want you to take note of this. So if you want your image to be for TikTok or Instagram Reels or Facebook, you make sure that it's in 9:16. But if you want it to be in YouTube size, make sure you change it to 16:9. That is landscape, right? Now that we have set all this, we click on it. Then we now have to generate our story, our scripts, and our images so that we can generate it using Flow AI. Already, I have my story ready, so I'll just simply go to ChatGPT. I have my script and everything, right? I don't want this tutorial to be very long. So what I have to do is I have to copy my image prompt and go over to Flow AI to generate our first image. So here, then we now say generate an image of, then we long press and paste our prompt and allow Flow AI generate our image. So since it is in ×1, it will generate only one image for us. Remember, so it doesn't take time to generate. So guys, can you see that it followed our prompt, right? So we have to generate our second image. We go back to ChatGPT, copy the second one, and go over to Flow AI, paste it. We now say generate an image of a, then we click on this place and allow it to generate our image for us. For us to generate consistent images, we have to go back to ChatGPT, copy our scene, and let us see if it will give us consistent images. So I'll tell ChatGPT, give me 3 scenes for this story, right? Then we click on this and allow ChatGPT give us our scenes. So for our scene 1, we want the man and the woman to be there. What we have to do is to click on this plus sign, click on upload image, and import the images of the man and the woman. So having imported them, we have to paste in our scene prompt. So Marcus, that is the man in brackets. Remember what I talked about being specific. You have to be specific. This is still AI. Nya, who is the wife? We just say the lady. Okay, so this is it. Let us see if it will generate consistent character, if it will keep their faces consistent. So guys, can you see this? This is amazing. It maintained the face consistency, everything just the way we prompted it. So to save this, you have to press and save it, and voila, your image is ready. Let us check again. Let us give him another scene prompt and see if it will generate the same thing for us. So to generate the second scene, we still have to import the image of the man and the wife. So having imported them, we have to paste our prompt. Okay, night, rain outside, they are on the couch, calm, wrapped in each other. So I'll just say the man and the lady. Remember, then we put it in. So guys, can you see this? Can you see this? This is really beautiful. It maintains the face consistency and everything. So to save it, you have to press and save it, and voila, you have your image ready. So this is how you will continue until all your images have been generated. Like I said earlier on, make sure that you put it in Imagine 4 so that it will not take credit from you. If you put it in Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2, it will be taking credit from you. And remember that Flow AI gives just 50 credits every day. So when you exhaust it, you have to wait till the next day before you can generate. So do well to make use of your credits very well. Do well to make use of it efficiently. So if you have watched up to this point, do well to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel because massive value awaits you. I'll be dropping the prompts of the images in the Telegram group. So if you haven't joined the Telegram group, do well to click on the link in the description box to access this particular prompt. I'm also available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. You can reach out to me through the email showing in my description box. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and bye-bye.